Okay, now that the butter has more or less melted, we're going to go ahead and we're going to throw in the chopped garlic and the red onions. We're going to move them around the bottom of the pot so that they cook evenly. Now our veggie stock has just started to boil, so we're going to turn the heat off on that, and we're going to stir it again to make sure that the lumps have disintegrated. We're going to add about half a pound of risotto to the onions and garlic. And we're going to stir until it's all toasted.